So I just got back from spending the afternoon with Carter at the periodontist, and I thought it was time to do a little story time of why my 14-year-old is potentially going to lose one of his front teeth before he's an adult. I didn't realize we're now living in a world where general dentists can do braces. So unknowingly, that's the route we went, and then he got out of the braces. We're now 9 months later. His canine tooth still has not erupted. So at our dentist appointment, I said, can you please look at this? She does an x-ray and brings me in. And I'm like, what happened to that tooth? She said it looks like the root got resorbed by the canine tooth trying to grow in. And I'm like, how can this happen? How did nobody tell me this? So I said, let's see last year's x-ray. So she flips back to last year. He's in braces, root gone. So then I said, why did no one tell me this a year ago? Well, you were in orthodontic treatment and they usually follow these things really closely. So we just thought they knew about it. We didn't know you were going to this other office. I'm like, when you see something really wrong with someone's mouth, don't you think you should maybe double check that they know about it? You're just going to assume? That feels really not like the best idea. So mind you, in May of 2024, we can see that the root was gone. He got his braces off in September of 2024. They do a full set of x-rays when you get your braces off. So they didn't tell me either. So now we've lost a year of trying to fix this major problem. I said, let's look at 2023. We scroll back. There it is. He's in an expander. The tooth is fine at that time. So sometime in that year, root destroyed. So all that to say, he got back in braces the next day from an actual orthodontist. It's been over a year. We're still dealing with fixing everything and hoping that we can keep that tooth till he's an adult, because you can't get an implant until then. Yeah. We switched dental offices and we took the proper channels to deal with the other issue. But all that to say, don't make the same mistake I did. Follow your kid's dental treatment closely. Follow the orthodontic treatment closely. Make sure it's an actual orthodontist, especially if it's a complicated case. And yeah, we'll see how this turns out, but it's unfortunate. If it could happen to anyone, I'm glad it was Carter and not Eden, because he does not care about anything. So, anywho, don't make my mistake. That's the moral of this story.